Alright, we're gonna fix a Delta faucet today. First thing you gotta do is get your American flag hat on and get them this t-shirt for Tombstone. Don't wanna mess up your Sunday clothes, so you can get both these at rowdydogdeals.com. Make sure you got your handy flashlight with you. You can get this also. You got 3 different settings on there if you don't flash it. Follow me. First thing you gotta do is get the pipe wrench out. You're gonna do plumbing. First, you got to have a little plumber's crack showing. Always turns the ladies on. You got the plumber's crack. And then you got to get the pipe wrench out. May not need it, but it's good to have it. And then you get the toolbox. Make sure you know where to find it. It's good to rummage around tools, you know. Your wife thinks she's really busy and working hard. Have to spend a half hour out in the garage just looking for tools. That's what I had to do to find the pipe wrench. And the next thing you gotta do, gotta get you a beer. Gotta have something cold to drink. Well, if you don't want beer, go with, tea or whatever. But come over here to get around. We're in Texas. I prefer Shiner Bock. Got to drink good beer if you're gonna drink beer. Don't mess around. And you got your pipe wrench handy. You can open your beer with your pipe wrench if you want to. Well, maybe that's why you got it. You don't know why you need it. You're gonna need a koozie because you don't want your beer getting hot while you're working on the sink. You have Texas Tech if you live in Texas, or Dallas. I don't know about the Cowboys, but definitely Texas Tech at least. Or at least, Texas A&M or Longhorns. Some kind of Texas football team, definitely. All right, now we're ready to do some work. Pipe wrench on the shoulder like this, Make it look like you know what you're doing. Don't want your wife asking, you sure you know what you're doing? Yeah, honey, I watched a YouTube video. I know what I'm doing. Make sure you got the valve off under there. Really, first thing you should do is have your wife clean out the bottom of the cabinet, because that's probably going to take a half a day right there. So my dad used to always say, take a half a day. Alright, so if you have somebody that stripped out your Allen screw like I did, or not, I didn't do it, but the person that installed it obviously did. You get you some Gorilla Glue. You glue your Allen screw head into that screw right there. Hopefully it works. It worked on the cold one. I fixed the cold faucet side already. So we'll see if it works. It hadn't set up maybe 20-30 minutes. We'll see if it works. I think it's gonna work, maybe. Oh yeah, it's gonna come on now. Gorilla Glue is pretty handy. Gotta have some of that. Also, if you don't have a pipe wrench, say you're a millennial or a Democrat, you may have to ask your mom, borrow hers. I'm sure she got one in her purse. Whatever. Just get one from somewhere. Get your tools. You're gonna need at least some pliers, needle nose pliers. If you don't have one of these handy tool sets, Allen wrench. You probably go to Harbor Freight, AutoZone, Lowe's. Get one of those, they got them just about anywhere. But we went to DeltaFaucet.com. If you have a Delta faucet, they do have a lifetime warranty. There's your part number if you need that. It's better to take pictures of this, or the old one. They're going to want you to take pictures underneath your faucet tags and all that. You don't have to take the whole faucet apart like I did the first time, but it's good to just pull that out. This one actually has a part number on it. The old one doesn't, but that would be nice if it had it on there. Then you got your spring set. There's another part number, spring and a gasket that's at the very bottom of the faucet. So those are kind of handy. After you take your Allen wrench set out, you can pop that off of there. pliers. Get them opened up. Right there, let's take this silver nut off. You know what, you can take that one off if you want to, but you don't have to. If you have your faucet shut off and everything, you know, double check that first, but you know, it should. As long as no water coming out, no leaking, no dripping, should work. If you don't have a rag or something, just look under the sink, you wipe it. Yeah, just use a tampon, that'll work. Just fold that up, because it's gonna leak a little bit. It ain't gonna be a lot, but it's gonna drip a little water. But, all right, then you get your pliers out and just kind of like you're pulling a tooth or something. Hopefully the water don't spray everywhere, but if it does, you might panic a little bit. There you go. See, it leaks a little bit, but not terribly if you got the water shut off right. Some of them old valves, you know, I had to work on that valve for about a half hour to get it. It corrodes in there, I guess. So, yeah, if there's any sediment or anything in there, get that cleaned out. Might get you to look on in there, see with the camera. See you gotta change this gasket part out. You can see down in there. Yeah, there's that. You can kind of see that gasket. Now that's why you need that flashlight so you can see in there good. See, gotta get that gasket out of there. Change that out. You can hold it like right there, probably. There we go. All right, so then that's why you need needle nose pliers. You can get in there, pull that gasket out. Gotta get with it a little bit to get in there. And then you need your spring out. It goes, you know, angling upwards. If you got all that set aside, your parts ready, put all that back in there for the new parts. All right. Then you got your gasket ring. And this gasket part with the spring, that was the last part that finally fixed it on my first faucet I did. I thought I'd get away without changing that, but it was still dripping after I fixed it. You gotta make sure you get that down in there good, or your faucet, your cartridge thing won't fit in there right. It's gotta be just right where it goes flush in there. Yeah, it's always fun. Not quite. You can feel when it goes in there right. It's kind of at an angle. Sometimes you gotta just press it down in there hard, you know, to get it all the way flush. If it's what we call cattywampus in Texas, then it ain't gonna work right. You know, you get it. You can see it down in there good or not. Let's see. Yeah, you can kind of see where it's flush there now. Sorta. Okay. So now you're ready for your cartridge. You kind of need to make sure you get this part right. I should have watched how I took that old one out. See, the old one doesn't have a part number or nothing on it. But it's, your flat part will be facing out. And then it's got this little tooth thing right there to keep from turning the faucet too far, I guess, or stripping it out. So you gotta put that in there like that. That's your loose piece. Corroded in there. You see how you pop that out. You don't need that one. That's old one anyway. Then just make sure you got your got these little grooves over here on your side of your cartridge. Make sure they fit good in your cartridge. Fits in there in that slot. You just gotta press it down pretty good. Make sure it's on there flush. Make sure your little tooth piece don't fall out. Whatever they call that. Press it down with two thumbs or better. You press it down pretty hard. And then you go back with your silver nut. Make sure you turn left a little bit. Make sure you don't cross thread it. It's a little trick I need to teach my wife. She can't get a pill bottle on to save her life. Pill bottle lids. Alright, and give it a little quarter turn, make sure it's snug. You don't have to over tighten it. Don't want to strip it out like the last guy did. Get your tampon out, try all the... I never thought I'd use a tampon to change the faucet, but I guess first time for everything. Alright, make sure that's on there flush. Now you're ready to go back with your stripped out Allen screw. Get that back in there if you can get it started. Maybe that's why they stripped it out. It don't go in there too good. Make sure that's gonna work smooth. Yeah, alright. Yeah, we gotta get that in there started. So that may have been the problem why they... Oh, that's why I might have super glue my Allen head back in there. Since that thing's stripped out, it won't let me tighten it up. But anyway, it'll still work with it. We got that in there, right? Okay, let's turn the faucet on and see if it works. Alright, don't get a shot of my plumber's crack again. Okay. Oh, knocked the pipe wrench off. Alright, we got water, that's good. No leaks. The left side was leaking on the first. I'd already fixed that one for the verification of the video quality, but I just thought I'd show how to fix one without having to take the whole faucet apart or get underneath the sink and mess with all that. That's it. Hit the like button and share if you like this video. Thank you.